Today we're going to look at number discs for addition. Now this is a method that many students will use to get the concept of bundling or grouping sets of ones and sets of tens to make new groups of tens and hundreds. Today I'm going to be using two different colors, one for the first number and one for the second number. Other students may draw open circles versus closed circles. Some students may draw the first number up top, make a line, and draw the second number. Any of those strategies will work to help them stay organized. So let's begin. Our first number is 303. So I'm going to start with making 3 hundreds. I have 0 tens and 3 ones. Now with adding, we're going to be able just to add those extra number discs on. So now I have 49, which is 0 hundreds, 4 tens, and 9 ones. So now I have to add them together, and one of the things that we're really looking for is grouping or bundling sets of 10. So I'm always going to start with my ones column first. So I'm just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 here. I'm going to bundle those together or circle them, draw my arrow, and make that new group of 10. Now I'm going to go over to the tens. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to count this one as 5. No bundles needed. I'm going to my hundreds. 1, 2, 3. Again, no additional bundles are needed. So now I have to go back and see how many are left. Here I have 2 that are left outside that bundle. So I have 2 ones. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of 10. And I have 1, 2, 3 hundreds. So 303 plus 49 equals 352. Let's take a look at another one. Now I'm going to look at 386 plus 241. Again, I'm making my hundreds, tens, and ones chart. So my first number, 386, has 3 hundreds, 8 tens, and 6 ones. My second number has 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 1 one. Now again, I'm going to start with my ones and move over to see if I have a bundle of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No bundle of 10 there, and in fact, I can just write the 7 because that's what's remaining. Now I'm going to look at my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 here, so I'm going to make my bundle, and we know that 10 tens equals 100. So I'll be able to add that new 100 in the hundreds place. I'm left with 2 tens. And finally, I'm going to count my hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 386 plus 241 equals 627. Let's take a look at one more. Now I'm going to look at 478 plus 154. And I'm going to draw my hundreds, tens, and ones, or my place value chart, as some students may know it by. I'm going to go ahead and do my first number, 478. 4 hundreds, 7 tens, and 8 ones. And now I'm going to look at my other number that I'm adding, which is 154. 100, 5 tens, 4 ones. Now, again, I'm starting in the 1 spot to see if I have a bundle of 10 that I can move to the tens group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this case, I do. So I'm going to bundle that 10, draw my arrow, and create my new group of 10. I have 2 remaining. Now I'm going to look at my tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, here I have another group of 10. I'm going to bundle together, and we know that 10 tens equals 100. So I'm going to add that there. Here now I have 3 remaining, 2 from the beginning and that new group of 10 that I created earlier. So that leaves me with 3. And now I'll add up my hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hundredths. So my answer for 478 plus 154 is 632. That's a way that students can use number discs to solve addition problems.